always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
A yellow sun.
That's right! Let's see if you can guess what my other paintings are. What's this?
A yellow house.
Yes! And what's this?
It looks like a yellow flower.
That's right!
What's this one?
That's a yellow wiggle bug. Did you notice something about all my paintings? Look again. I painted a yellow sun, a yellow house, a yellow flower, and a yellow wiggle bug. What do they all have in common?
They're all yellow.
That's right! Today I'm only painting yellow things.
Pig's paintings give me an idea. Let's make yellow our special color of the day.
I'm crunching leaves, but only yellow leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Pig, Fox, I'm going to show you a new way of painting.
Ooh!
I don't see any paintbrushes.
That's right, Fox. We're not going to paint with paintbrushes.
Huh?
Huh?
We're going to paint with sponges. Ready to see what happens?
Okay.
Do you want to start with blue paper or red paper?
Blue, please.
And I'll take red, please.
Great! Now, pick up a sponge. Dip it in the yellow paint. and start painting.
Oh, look! My paper is turning orange. Because red and yellow make orange.
My paper's turning green.
That's right.
Look how smooth it looks.
I'm tapping my sponge. It looks rough, like rocks.
Smooth and rough are textures. Say it after me. Textures.
Textures. I'm done.
Me too.
Let's hang up your paintings and look at them. What's something that's the same about your paintings?
We both painted with sponges.
That's right. What else?
We both painted with yellow.
Yes. And what's something different about your paintings?
Mine came out green, and Pig's is orange.
And my painting is rough, but Fox's is smooth.
That's right. Now, what do we do when we're done painting?
We go play.
Uh-huh.
But first,
We clean up.
Oh, right.
that's right. Let's clean up together.
Okay.
Which pencil is yellow? There it is. Yellow pencil. Which kite is yellow? There it is. Yellow kite. Which hat is yellow? There it is. Yellow hat. Which flower is yellow? There it is. Yellow flower. Very good. It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Which Dog Do You Want? This book is full of many dogs and one cat. Let's look for her. Let's begin. Which Dog Do You Want? By Danielle Bruckert. Big dog. Small dog. Two dogs. Sad dog. Happy dog. Dog and cat. Cute dog. Cold dog. Very cold dog. Sled dog. Sleepy dog. Warm dog. Hungry dog. Working dog. Which dog do you want? The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Itsy Bitsy Spider.
I don't know that song.
You don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. And look what I have in my backpack. My maracas. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now this time we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go! The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Ba-ba-da-ba-bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks. Now let's count pictures together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3. Yeah, you got it. Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the backpacks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many backpacks are there in all? 4. You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the books. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon!
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count. To do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 9. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 9 times. Clap 9 times. Nod 9 times. Point 9 times. March 9 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Hi! Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! Hello! We found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye,
goodbye,
it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye,
goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye
before
we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Hush-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle